come to the northern edge of Bali.
In between the Bali Sea and Mount Agung, to the Digital Naturalism Conference happening in Lus Village, Bali, Indonesia, with Sikh communities.
Dinacon is an experimental conference that brings together field biology and interaction design.
We bring people together to make things and explore the natural world.
Dive into marine habitat rehabilitation, interact with forests, spot monkeys and frogfish, all while living and working together with scientists, crafters, designers, artists, and hackers from local community and from around the world.
The conference has a simple, open-ended structure.
First, you need to make something, then share it openly with the world, and finally give others feedback on something they've made.
How you create, share, and explore is totally up to you.
Our teams at Dinacon and Sikh communities have been working hard to put together this fun opportunity to work collectively.
So, if you're interested, apply now.